Let's learn how to unlock treasure box on Poppo Live. Hello, welcome to Glide Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be sharing with you how to unlock treasure box on Poppo Live. Treasure box is one way every user on Poppo Live can earn more coin on Poppo Live. Treasure box can be found in live stream and party on Poppo Live. In order to find treasure box and unlock it, there are a few steps you have to take, which is log into your Poppo Live account. Click on the particular party you want to join or live stream you want to join. Let's say I want to join this live stream. So right here on this live stream, you're going to see a box at the top here that says get coin free. Just click on the box. You can see the option that says get coin for free. So as this coin waits to 4 minutes, you will be able to unlock the coin. So let's see as it read. So guys, as you can see, I was able to wait for the timer to read and complete. So I just have to click on receive reward receive. So I have received 40 coin from this live stream. So guys, that is it on how to unlock treasure box on Poppo Live. If this video was helpful, do well to like, comment and subscribe if you are new to this channel. Hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.